Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to YouTube channel Cloudy Malakan. Today is 9th of August 2019 Friday. In this tutorial we will say about Saudi Riyal price rates. So let's get started. First of all, we will say about Injaz Bank rates that Injaz Bank gave 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,700.0.25 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.51 rupee and for Philippine 13.78 peso. Pauri Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,691.8 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.61 rupee and for Philippine 13.79 peso. NB Arab National Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,448.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.40 rupee and for Philippines 13.50 peso. Al Raji Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,703.70 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.65 rupee and for Philippines 13.70 peso. After this we will say about Express money rates. Express gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,703.67 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.65 rupee and for Philippines 13.70 peso. Western Union gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,744.67 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.99 rupee and for Philippines 13.6 peso. MoneyGram gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,731.29 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.57 rupee and for Philippines 13.73 peso. In the last we will say about Riyadh Bank rates that Riyadh Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,067.48 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.20 rupee and for Philippines 13.67 peso. These are the latest Saudi Riyal exchange rates. For more informative videos related to Saudi Arabia, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.